Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an event in Google Calendar. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So you want to head over to google.com, and first and foremost you want to ensure that you sign into your Google account. And then what you want to do, simply click on the Google Apps here from the upper right hand side, and from here you want to scroll down to where you find calendar. Click on that. Now you will have your calendar show up here. Now in order to add a specific event to your calendar, you want to go ahead and choose a specific date on the left hand side where you have these days. You can also play around with the view. As you can see, I have a week view, but I can switch this to a month view or a year view if I so desire. I think the month view is a better, so you can simply click on that so you can see what it looks like for the entire month. Now, so let's say I want to make an event for the 21st of June. I can click on the specific day and I will get a pop-up, and here you can see that it's giving me the option to fill in the name. So let's say it's my friend's birthday, so I can say Jay's birthday, right? And as you can see, it is set for the specific day. I can simply click on add time and I can choose a specific time of the day. But as for the birthday, if I'm not attending an event, let's say I can choose a specific time of the day. So let's say this birthday is going to be from 5:30 till, so let's put it to around 9:30 p.m. Let's say something like that. Or if you just want to add it for a whole day event, you can simply click on all day by checking this box, and it will add it for the entire day, right? So it's up to you. You can also choose if you want to have it repeat in your calendar. As this is for a birthday, it might be worth put it into the calendar, so you can simply go ahead and have it repeat yearly if you so desire. So as you can see here, it says annually. You can add it annually. Now you'd only want to add annual event if it's going to be for like a whole day, because you know, if you have a specific time of the day where this event is going to happen, then you know that the time of the day can change. But if it's a specific day, you can add it for annually. So as you can see, I have it for all day, so I can easily set this for annually, let's say. Now once I do that guys, you can also go ahead and add guests. So let's say I want to add, for example, Jay's. I can put Jay's email here, and I can also add additional people there as well. So let's say I want to add a specific email address. I can simply type that in, as you can see, and it starts to populate email addresses already. Now you can also add a location. So let's say this is going to be at a specific place. You can click on that and you can type the location if you so desire. So you can simply type a location. I'm going to type a city, for example, here. And as you can see, you can also add a description and also attachments as well. So I'm going to simply just put the same thing here for the description, and I will put this, for example, Jay's birthday party, right? For example. And this is how you can easily do it, guys. You can add attachment if you so desire as well. And then once you're done, just simply click and save. And as you can see, it is now added to the calendar. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and create an event in your Google Calendar. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.